Hi, in this tutorial we have an exercise related to functional groups. The question in the exercise says that identify all the functional groups in Taxol, an important drug used to fight breast cancer. Let's look at the structure. In the structure, let's start from the left side. We see that we have a carbonyl group, carbon-oxygen double bond, and next to it we have a nitrogen. So this is an amide group. Next to amide group, we have a benzene ring, and we consider this one as a functional group as arene. So we have an arene amide. Next to it, we have again a benzene group, and we are going to say this is also an arene. Here we have an OH group, and it is connected to carbon, and this carbon is an sp3 carbon, so this is an alcohol functional group. And when we look at this carbon, it's a secondary carbon. We can say that this is a secondary alcohol. Next to that, we have a carbonyl group, but it is connected to an oxygen and with a carbon-bearing group. Definitely, this is we can extend the group like this. This is an ester group. And next to it, we see here a double bond. This is an alkene functionality. And here we have again a carbonyl with oxygen connected to a carbon. This is also an ester functional group. Next to it, we have a carbonyl group, but the carbonyl is connected to both carbon and carbon on the both sides. So we are going to say that this is a ketone functional group. And next to that, we have an sp3 carbon bearing OH group. This is an alcohol. And specifically, the carbon is connected to two carbons, so it's a secondary alcohol, we can say. Okay, let's move down. Here we have an oxygen, and oxygen is connected to from two side carbons, and we know that this is an ether functional group. It's like carbon, oxygen, carbon, and oxygen is sp3 hybridized. Okay. Next to that, we have here again another carbonyl functional group with an oxygen, and this is again an ester functional group. Here we have again an arene functional group, and next to that we have a carbonyl with oxygen with a carbon connected. So this is again an ester functional group. Here we have an OH connected to an sp3 carbon, so this is an alcohol, and that alcohol is basically this carbon here. It's this carbon is connected to three carbon. It's a tertiary carbon. So for that reason, this is a tertiary alcohol, we can say that. And apart from these functional groups, I guess we don't have any other specific functional group in the molecule. Thank you so much for watching the video.